This is so cool. Look how the air flows and twirls over the tip. Let me show you how to set up this experiment on the Vortex 200 wind tunnel from SIMTEQ Engineering. The Vortex 200 has 3 sets of load cells installed. 1 set on the wall behind the test section, and 2 sets below the floor underneath it. For this experiment, we will attach the wing profile to the load cells at the back. This will allow us to use the built-in stepper motor to rotate the wing electronically. Take the wing and gently insert the rod into the hole that aligns with the stepper motor. Hold the wing more or less horizontally with one hand. You will be able to adjust its orientation more accurately later. Gently push the rod into the bracket at the back while you hold the wing in position. Don't push too hard, you wouldn't want to bend the load cells. Lightly fasten the screw closest to the rear wall with your fingers. Check to see if the wing can stay in place on its own. Now you can use a X tool to tighten the screw to keep the wing in place. Take care not to over-tighten it. Remember, you break it, you buy it. The next step, switch on the wind tunnel. If you need to rotate the wing after you fixed it, you can disable the stepper motor and rotate the wing by hand. If you are happy with its angle, simply enable the stepper motor again and the wing will stay in place. Now we can start the fans to get the air flowing. You can adjust the fan speed here on the screen or by using the knob. To make sure we'll be able to produce nice smoke lines, let's check the fog fluid level through the little window over here. Check that the level of the fluid is visible inside the tank to ensure the tank is not overfilled or empty. We will cover how to refill the fluid in a separate video. Now, switch on the fog machine by sliding the switch to the left. If the blue LED light is on, the unit is in standby and ready to produce fog. To start the fog, the fan must be on and then double press the button on the left to start the fog. Isn't that so cool? And you can do a lot more. Switch to the wall control screen with the wing icon. Besides controlling the fan speed, the knob can also be used to set the angle of the wing. By pressing the knob once, you can change its function. You can check the screen to see which mode it is in. If the fan power has a frame around it, the knob controls the speed of the fan. If the angle of attack has a frame around it, the knob controls the orientation of the wing. To visualize the airflow in different positions over the wing, you can move the fog lines from side to side by turning the knob on the left side underneath the wind tunnel. You can also let the wing rotate automatically. Go to the wall control screen and toggle the manual sweep option. Watch how the wing starts to rotate up and down automatically. Pressing the gear icon will allow you to control the range and speed of the rotation as well as the number of pauses the wing should take along the way for the flow to stabilize. If you want to learn more or download validated CFD models for this wind tunnel to compare with your test results, click on the About icon at the bottom. Here you can scan the QR codes for the links to the relevant resources. And that concludes this how-to video. Subscribe to see more videos and to have fun.